Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Apple Tech Review. So today we are talking about camera installation. I've done some videos of camera reviews, how you can install cameras, but today I'm giving you the practical. So today I'm right away from the site. So today I'm talking about how to install a camera from the start. I'm going to give you step 1 where we do cable laying up to the end, where you will see the footage. As you can see on the screen, this is the system that we have managed to put up 16 cameras. So right now let us go and we see where we start from. So we start from here. First and foremost, we do have our cables, camera cables. For us, this is a 10-floor building. 10-floor building, we cannot do surface cable laying through the surface through the walls. So we have to make sure you pass via the dBs of electricity. So as you can see, we used our cables. We pass through the cables, the pipes that were put by electrical engineers, so that we can pass through and connect to different floors. You understand? So so far these are our rolls. We have our rolls, very big rolls. We use 305 so that in cameras we don't encourage cutting our cables, because it can damage our footage. I'm going to take you, I show you different floors. You see how we have managed to lay our cables through our conduits, or what we call pipes. Yes, thank you guys. Let's go and I show you. Okay, now we have finished cable installation. As you can see, these are our cables. We have finished to install them across the building. We have put up all cables in the places where we need them. Now we are on the step where we need to install cameras. So this is the step. Now what do we need? Cable is already in the position. We have used cat 6. As you can see, we use cat 6 with the grade 1 80% of copper and above, because copper transmits power so well. So we need a piece of camera, we need a piece of Baron or BNC. It depends the technology that you are using, but for me, I normally like using Baron because they also enhance the quality of the picture. As you can see, this is 8MP Baron. Then we need also a power pin. We need also the adapter where the camera will sit. You understand? So let's proceed and we start installation. Guys, grow so that we can avoid moistures from entering moisture, sorry, to avoid moisture from entering and damage our cables in a short period. So always insulate them so that we can avoid moisture from damaging our cables as time goes on. You understand? So this is the way how the camera is installed. Now I've managed to put the BNC or the balloon and the power pin. These cables can go ahead and connect other camera, but in this point I have one, so I'm going to insert them in my MK. In MKs, I normally use other big size, but my supplier this time disappointed me with this small size, but they fit in. Just arrange them well. Yeah. So guys, this is how the camera is installed. So now later from here, now we have finished this side, we are now going to go to other side of the DVR system, then we also terminate there. All right, so that is it. All right guys, so far we are done with testing. As you can see, the system is now fully tested. We have finished testing everything. All cameras now are on. Now we are remaining with now only removing the system from here, from the ground. We put it in the DBO, in the rack. As you know, we always encourage using the rack because it avoids from rats, water, groundwater, flooding, those such things. Yeah, so far that is it. If you have any question, you can go ahead and you ask. We have also connected the system on the internet. As you can see, that is the router that gives the cameras internet. Then secondary, this is the system that we have used, that one that enhances the picture quality. We have used that is the power supply. As you can see, this is the power supply. This is the power supply. This is the DVR. These are the BNCs, all the balloons. Yeah, that is it guys. Thank you for watching. If at all you have any question, you can go ahead, put it in the comments section below. Thank you. Catch you in the next one.